Hello everybody. Happy Mother's Day. I'd like to welcome you to our second week of class. The class is Management and Leadership in Nursing and Healthcare for Oklahoma Wesleyan University. The purpose of this short video is just to go through some of the assignments for next week and then to ask you to contact me by email or questions section of the course if you have questions about previous assignments, or you can email me about grades. Some of you are still working on the first scholarly paper, which was a 3 to 4 page paper about complex adaptive systems. The next paper that will be due in week 2, you will be looking at a theory in professional practice. And there's some good information in your textbooks around page 35 to 41. And in addition to the information in the textbook, you should have 2 peer-reviewed articles that you either paraphrase or quote and use on your reference list for the paper, which should be 3 to 5 pages. You'll still be working on the discussion and spiritual life forums. Those will be graded on Mondays or Tuesdays. You'll also be doing your ALP log. If you have not done one before or used this format before, let me know and I will give you some additional information. But basically the log has the course objectives, and you should add 3 of your own personal objectives that are measurable and have a time frame. And you'll be working on this log and turning it in every week, weeks 2 to 8. And you'll also be keeping track of your clinical hours, and you should get 40 clinical hours for this course, plus an additional clinical hour for your interview. You can also start working on your team project. There is in the left navigation bar, I think most of you have found the groups section, and there's a discussion forum for you to communicate with your other group members. The group assignment will be due in week 7. I am supposed to go by the late policy with no exceptions. I know this is sometimes hard for me to do, as well as frustrating when you have a late assignment, but to be fair to everybody, the policy is that papers must be submitted by the due date, but there'll be a 10% loss in the grade after each day it's overdue with no exceptions. And any late assignment will not be accepted after 5 days. And there are no exceptions. So please be very diligent and look at your calendars and your schedules. If there is a major problem, please contact me and we can problem solve it. But I do have to go by the the department's guidelines for late papers. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions, and have a great week.